What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness. The fitness, you guessed it, you can eat. Today, we're making chia pudding. Let's get started. So today I'm showing you two variations on the traditional chia pudding. These little things here are chia seeds. So that's what we're using today. We're gonna do first an apple cinnamon. So we're gonna start with the chia seeds, add that. Then you're gonna put in the cinnamon. Now where's a fork? Before we add in the rest of the ingredients, and I don't want a fork, no good. We are going to stir up the cinnamon and the chia seeds. Get that well incorporated. Then, yes, add in the milk. I'm using almond milk. Depending on the type of milk that you use, it might give off a thicker or a more runny consistency. All right, to that, I am going to add in the maple syrup. And then of course, finally, the apples. This is super easy, as you can see. Okay, so that is all mixed up. Put the cover on. Put the cover on. There we go. All right, cool. Put that aside. We're gonna move on to number two. So number two is a really fun one for like a snack or a dessert kind of thing. This is chocolate coconut banana. Love this one. So we're gonna start again with the chia seeds. We're gonna add in the cocoa powder, unsweetened, premium if you can find it, and the coconut, shredded coconut. Mix that up first. And by the way, if you're enjoying this beautiful banter that we're having right now, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. All right, now in this, I have coconut milk and almond milk mixture. Pour that right in. And same as before, stir it up. Add the top. See you in 24 hours. Or like 2 seconds.
One eternity later.
Give these a go. They are so good. Oh man, especially that chocolate and coconut. Yeah, I'm feeling that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. I've got some eating to do. I'll see you in the next video right back here on Edible Fitness.